is some mathematics. In this video, if 9x plus 9 over x is equal to root 162, we are to find the value of x to the power 792 plus 1 over x to the power 792. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, let's begin with this. So root 162, we can write it as root 81 times 2, and this is the same as root 81 times root 2, and root 81 is 9 root 2. So we are going to replace root 162 by 9 root 2. Okay, so the whole expression now becomes 9x plus 9 over x is equal to 9 root 2. Okay, 9 is here, 9 is here, so let's bring out 9. When we bring out 9, we have x plus 1 over x, which is equal to 9 root 2. So this can cancel that, so that we have x plus 1 over x is equal to root 2. So let's square both sides. Now remember that a plus b squared is the same as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So we are going to apply the same thing here on the left hand side. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x, and this is equal to, when you square 2 you get 2. So this x will cancel x, so we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 is equal to 2. So let's send 2 to the right hand side, and here is positive, so when it gets to this side it becomes negative. Or let's subtract 2 from each side so that we get rid of the 2. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 2 minus 2. So this implies that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 0. Okay, so the LCM is x squared, so let's multiply through by the L squared, so which means that this time this we have x to the power 4 then plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are going to have x to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we were asked to find the value of x to the power 792 plus 1 over x to the power 792. First of all, 792 can be written as 4 times 198. And so if you have x to the power 792, you're going to have x to the power 4 times 198. And from indices, a raised to the power m, all raised to the power n, the same as a raised to the power m, n all raised to the power m. So that x to the power 4 times 198 is the same as x to the power 198 to the power 4 times 198 can be written as x to the power 4 all raised to the power 198. So x raised to the power 792 plus 1 over x to the power 792 becomes, this will be x to the power 4 all raised to the power 198 plus 1 over x to the power 4 raised to the power 198. But we said that x to the power 4 is minus 1. Yes. So if it is minus 1, then when a negative number is raised to the power an even number, it turns out to be a positive number. So we have x to the power, so this implies that this is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 198 plus 1 over minus 1 raised to the power 198, and this will give us 1, and this will give us 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So therefore the answer is 2. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Now if you want more of this exciting and then engaging video, you can turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you are alerted wherever you are. And don't forget to also like the video. Bye.